little things that you do that just break up your routine, that allow you to reflect on your personal life and say, hey, is my life full with all the things that I want it to be? Or am I stuck in routine and just checking off my to-do list every single day? It just reminds us that we get to create our life and we get to show up how we want to, and it's our responsibility to make sure that we're adding fun, we're adding the color, and we're adding the flavor to our own lives.
The boat ride was amazing, so we didn't like move. No, we just went to the beach. So we grabbed this paddleboard and the paddleboard. It was so hard because there was four of us, and they were all bouncing on one side, so we kept tipping over. And then at some point there was just one person, and we were paddling. Yeah, and then we all tried jumping off so it would make it rhyme. And then we got so tired we were not even close. But we took an hour and a half just to get there. What the heck?
So the beauty of being on vacation and the kids' ages that they are is that there is time that I don't have to be full focus on them. They can interact with each other. So we bring games from home that allow them to play for a little bit. And I make sure that I get mommy time, because me time allows me to be better for my work, allows me to be better for them, and just allows me to recharge.
I love it. It's so much fun to get to spend holidays with them or any time with them. They're so interesting, the different things they think about or tell you about, whatever. It's a lot.
I own a business. I'm never off the clock. I try to be, but even while I'm here, for me to do a couple meetings for a couple hours a day gives me way less anxiety than if I did no meetings and I came home to a whole bunch of stuff that was accumulating. So knowing what's right for you and the balance, and making sure this doesn't become work/vacation, but it's vacation/work, is something that I have found allows me to enjoy my time more and allows all of us to have a good and fun time together.
There's a diving board. It's up here. John, should I do it?
Yeah. Watch it out that high.
I'm not getting it. I don't know what to do.
It's scary.
I'll be there watching you jump off.
No.
And then I'll go.
No, I'm not going anymore.
Oh. You're gonna jump off that. Then we're gonna run up and jump off that. If John. Oh. Didn't even have to ask him. Should I?
It was pretty fun, mainly just swimming. They had those cool, water, the
floaty things.
Those were pretty fun, because, they barely held you up, but they still held you up pretty well. And then, the mini boat again. It was a cool experience. He has a pretty cool boat.
Yeah, I agree. The boat was really cool, and then the mini boat was fun.
Plate right there. Old plate. Grab a hold of that. Perfect. There you go. There you go.
Look at that parking. Dude, you caught that on camera? Oh, you guys didn't even tie on the rope?
Oh.
Nice.
Sorry, I forgot about the rope.
I'll do it again.
Yeah, move.
Coming in hot, Jacob.
Hot?
Doing okay?
Oh, once again. That was my fault that time.
I'm in the kitchen with oven mitts.
First time.
If anybody needs camera proof, we've got it. Whoa, there's a lot of chicken.
Yeah. He gave us a lot of chicken.
Okay, what was the plan with this?
I don't know.
This is being eaten. Okay? This disgusting neon colored item that has every dye known to man is being consumed. I like that. I enjoy it. I'm gonna stay for it.
The boat, Jack beating us up. Isn't it funny, Jack? Did you have fun time? Every bad joke you get a punch.
Oh my god, that was bad. And then the rest of critical damage.
I kept making up the hill, bro. Jack kept punching me. I just couldn't.
Every single joke you say that's not funny, you get a punch.
And 5 punches in looking at him.
That's how you win every time. Before you stop betting, Tyler Irvin taught me that one. He's never used to jiu-jitsu. That guy did.
How to return home from vacation. It's a thing, right? We come home, we're exhausted, we got the crew here, all the stuff. So what I have done is I make sure that we have a day in between coming home and starting real life. So we come home on Saturday, it gives us Sunday to absorb all the shifts, and then Monday we can start strong. And I don't start doing Monday things until Monday. So I let the laundry sit for a day, I let the unpacking sit for a day, I let the mail sit for a day. Okay, we just unload, unpack, and hang out with each other. So when everybody goes to school on Monday, that's my opportunity to go through the mail, to go through the luggage, to do the laundry, to do all the things to put us back into gear. But it's really shifted my ability to just be with the family and hang out instead of like going from vacation mode to work mode the minute I touch the ground. And that's taken me a few years to learn, but I'm so grateful I'm finally there.